Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin Kavanaugh. My experience in working with children with disabilities is pretty limited. My undergraduate, I did it with, I was initially going for as speech therapist, so my undergrad was communication disorders. So I didn't work too much and too closely, I guess, with children with disabilities, but now that I'm in my ECSC program, with all my field experience that I've been doing, and then just being a para substitute has gotten me a good amount of experience that I've been wanting to get because of my lack of experience. So that's been good, and I feel a little bit better and confident about being in the classroom. What am I hoping to gain from taking this course? This course seems very geared toward our ECSers, and that makes me super excited because I'm going to learn a lot about our youngsters, and it's going to be very direct and a lot of information that I'll be able to use and take a lot of this course information with me. Previous experience on this topic. Not too much, I guess. Assessments here and there with my undergraduate, but nothing too major, I guess. But one item that I can share with everybody, something I love is Colorado. I'm currently here now. I'm sitting in Vail, about to go for a hike, so that's something cool about myself. I love it here, the wilderness and the hiking. Really gives me a good sense of relaxation, especially with school and work and everything else going hectic on, with our personal lives. So I love Colorado, and that's something cool for me to share with the rest of my classmates. Thanks for watching this video.